Okay, dear students, today's topic is what are the successful factors for business intelligence implementation. So far, we have seen how we can plan for business intelligence and what are the precautions that are required to implement the business intelligence process into the organization, and what are the key benefits areas after implementing the organization. We have seen like how it helps in decision making and how it helps in integrating all the data sources which we have already collected, and how business intelligence will improve the productivity of the organization, and how it will help in knowing the customer behavior, and finally achieving the competitive advantages. And based on what factors we can say that business intelligence is successful. I mean, first one, we should not boil the ocean. So BI, business intelligence, as is it is not a universal solution for. So there may be many problems. So we have to define the problem precisely and provide the solution for that. Simply without defining the or diagnosing the proper problem, you are just keep on implementing everything. Then it doesn't give any results. So proper recognition, sorry, proper diagnosis, identification of problem is required. So nowadays, many softwares are available for the organizations. So do not just buy as they are available in the market. So what is required for the organization and which is suitable for the organization, that we have to do. So that's why the first one is we should not boil the ocean, and it is not possible also, right? You cannot boil the ocean. So likewise, do not depend on too much softwares, so many softwares, which is required that you have to adapt. If suppose the organization is good at need more Excel strategies, just go with the Excel software or MS Office. It need more other machine language tools, then okay. Simply do not purchase many things. Then focus on easy of use, which is user friendly, which is understandable easily to the employees. That matters rather than purchasing the difficult and hard ones. So how which is very useful. Then employees will understand properly. So if they understand, they work easily. Because understanding the process itself will take much time. So first of all, we have to decide the software and which is very useful, very easy to use, that we have to decide. Then employee has to perform. Performance is the key. However, the softwares, how many softwares are, whether it is user friendly, in spite of those many things also, if employees are not performing, staff is not performing, believe me, we cannot achieve anything. So employee should perform in the organization. If they are not working, believe me, n number of things will not help you anymore. Next is which technology we require, that we have to be very careful. Pick up the technology. So there may be many ways of tackling the business intelligence. So which is suitable for us, which technology you want. So pick yours carefully and do not necessarily just go for the ones which are bundled because it is coming in a bundle offer. No, don't go like that. Which is required for us, which software package is required for you, that you have to adapt it. So while products may have the same badge, they're usually just separated by the business intelligence tools. There are many fake softwares also there, so you should be very careful about it. So understand where cost is. Evaluating the cost of business intelligence implementation is usually the iceberg model exercise. So the software license spends usually 20% of the overall cost. But further 80% will be on the surface visible. So don't incur more cost on the softwares. With how much is required, whether it is viable financially for you or not, that you have to. If required, you need any helps, you have to nominate the advocates. Advocates means people who are helping us. It's not lawyers. So which one is required? So it is believed that one of the best thing that we do as a part of business intelligence implementation is to identify the work with advocates. So there are domain experts who understand the reporting requirements of the business. So who are the domain experts? Suppose you are using some package, so that backend expert will be should give support for all the time if any problems comes. So if that support is not there, then we cannot run the work. So many MNCs are there, big MNCs. Always the supporting department will be there, technical supporting department, domain experts. So if something comes, some bug happened, so they will help us. And finally, we have to always check reconciling. Reconciling means we have to tally everything. Oh, how much cost we are incurring, what work we are doing, like that. So if your continuous check will help you. And we have to involve the employees also. If employees are not involved in this implementation process, then who else? So tells that all the beginning of implementation is exactly how well it is going to go. So why this business intelligence software is involved in the introduced in the organization, and what are the benefits, how it is helpful to the organization. You have to explain each and everything to the employees. Okay, don't hide anything, be transparent, and invite every employee to involve in the decision making process. Then ultimately they are the one who is going to implement the business intelligence in the organization. So without them you cannot imagine. So we have to ensure that the executive involvement is there at every time, then only it will work out. Executive can get things done, make decisions, and allocate resources, right? They also be the ultimate arbitrators for the project success or failure, like that. So implement these 8 factors in your company, and your business intelligence implementation will be off to firing a start. So these 8 are important. So these are the 8 successful factors for business intelligence improvement. So next we have, there are certain issues with the management also. So not only from the employee side. So what issues we have with the business intelligence means, one is lack of business strategy. So if management is not aware about and not interested in investing money in these kind of advanced things, then it is difficult. If they are not understanding the market analysis, competitor not doing the competitor analysis properly, and not embracing the changes in the market that are taking place, then assuming it is difficult for them. So if they are lacking that BI strategy, it is difficult for the organization to be successful. So organization should proactively define the problems as they are trying to solve, which problem you want to solve. And even sometimes you must be proactive also. Only then they will be able to identify the right business intelligence solution. If problem is identified, then you can apply the which business intelligence solution is required. You are unable to diagnose the problem itself, then how can? So devising a strategy before adopting a solution is very much important. We have to devise that strategy. We have to develop it. As confusion may lead to the failure of the adoption. If not, people will confuse and it will lead to failure. That's it. So attempting business intelligence without the fundamental preconditions for success in place is likely to be frustrating, painful, costly, and destined to fail. See how these things. So if you have not proactive, not defined anything, then it is just irritating, frustrating, painful, costly, and finally decided to fail. Second one is business intelligence. You must know when you have to use it, where you have to use it also again. So organization should know which package is required, where it has to be put, like that. So nowadays, executive find it difficulty to access the right data at right time. And even if the do also data formats are typically so complex and unstructured, and it is very hard to find out the meaningful and relevant data. See, no, it is a usual thing only. Nowadays, the world is data-driven world. Enormous data is available. It is very difficult to come to a conclusion that which data is useful for the particular issue. So in that kind of scenario, we must have good analytical skills which will capture which data is required. So now, unless they are using Excel extensively, probably you won't get much satisfaction from the BI system. For example, if the organizations are very much happy with the Excel, or people who are doing all the work on Excel, they don't like Word format sometimes because they're habituated to that. So you have to decide which software and which has to be used to solve the solution. Then lack of training and execution. People will be lacking training and execution. This is also one of the managerial issue. If management feels, why should we provide training? If management thinks that in training and development is a heavy cost for the organization, then the organization cannot survive. In fact, training is not a cost, it is an investment that an organization is putting on their employees. So many a times companies might have well articulated requirement, so a sound business intelligence strategy and a good tool solution, but they lack some technical skills like designing, building, maintaining, and supporting BI applications. So these results in business intelligence application to run slowly, if these kind of things. So breakdown will happen frequently. We can deliver uncertain results and eventually leading to high rising cost. So to avoid all those things, the employee must have training on each and every aspects. Otherwise, it is a difficult one. Got it? So that's the one. So organization should spend wisely on providing ongoing training so that users understand how to use the system. Then lack of BI impact. Even you do not know, even after implementing also how this business intelligence is working on my organization, or you are not using the to the extent which is supposed to, then you don't able to find out the impact on that. So management sometimes might have wonder where there is no change and why there is no change in business results in spite of business intelligence implementation. Why BI investment is not yield any return for us? That means you might have not used it properly. I mean, to the extent which is supposed to be used, or due to the lack of system also. So this indicates that the organization is not utilizing the business intelligence solution at par with global standards. Simply they have adapted the technology, but they do not know how to use it. So that will result in not you are not using that resources optimally. So then how can you expect when you use that resource, when you use that technology properly, then only you can get the result. So we have to be able to understand the impact of BI also. Otherwise, you feel that it will become an issue for the manager. Then business intelligence with unstructured data. This is one of the things. So unstructured data and business intelligence, a heavy thing. So if data is structured, you can apply a good tool and for analysis. When data is itself is unstructured, then how to capture that? It is a difficult one. So most of the time, data is unstructured. Then difficulty comes. If it is structured one, easy. So businesses may invest in big data analyticals, but cannot complete the task in time. So organizations are spending a lot on data. So this might result to people spending hours and hours in cleaning and structuring the data itself. So if it is unstructured, then you have to spend much time on processing. Processing the data means you have to clean it, you have to segregate it, you have to tabulate it, you have to code it. So this will enable users to create a single source as well as a front end with data visualization capabilities. So ideally, the back end of the solution will provide all those things. So it is also one of the challenge for the management. Then installation and development of business intelligence solution, it cannot happen at all, and it need much focus and money also. So it is very painful to install or develop a system. Very painful. Even in our personal life, also constructing a issue or thing is a difficult one, right? So how to adapt and how to keep that technology stable in the organization is a difficult one. So conclusion is BI can be very effective if it is done right. So if you are properly implementing, then it will be effective. If not, very, very, very hurdle for us. So these are the main thing that we have seen. So what is that? Number one is the what success factors for the business implementation. So you have to consider all these things. So 1, 2, that is, do not boil the ocean, focus on easy one, performance is key, pick up in the right technology, understanding where cost is incurring, and then nominating the experts, then rechecking always, reconciling, then involvement of executives. Then BI will implement successfully in the organization. And some other issues, in spite of benefits and successful also, these are the issues of the business intelligence. So lacking BGI strategy, and then so how to use it, where to use it, lack of training, lack of business intelligence impact, and how to deal with unstructured data and installation and development, everything. So these are the things. So finally, we have to use this business intelligence very effectively. If not, it will what happen? It will lead to failure only. Failure means so organization cannot survive, right? So use of business intelligence is challenging. Is what is challenging. It is very, very challenging at the beginning, but the potential business benefits make it worth investing. So in the initial stage, everyone feel difficult only. But as soon as when you receive the benefits from the software or the tool business intelligence package, you feel that it is an worth investment. So having said that there is always a solution to a problem, these problems do have a solution as well. So every problem will have a solution. So solution could be treatment of business intelligence as a business process improvement initiative rather than an IT centric undertaking. So you have to feel that it is another business process. It is one of the another way of doing the work. It is part and parcel of the working. So when you feel like that, then you will enjoy the learning and you will perform very better. If you simply feel that it is a information technology package, IT centric taking, then you feel it is very difficult. So don't feel like that. It is just another way of doing the work. Focus on supporting key business objectives with better information in the specific business processes. So you have to uh, divide your objectives into sub objectives, and which are supporting objectives are there, and provide the required information to the employees. Then it will be a good one. Then use of business intelligence specific development methodology is also one of them. So what methodology you have to apply? So many organizations do not possess the internal BI expertise. You must also have an internal expert committee who are already aware of all those things. So, which is necessary to recognize their business intelligence challenges and leverage these solutions. So, if in-house expert is there, a person is sitting in the organization, then definitely he is accessible every time, and it will leverage means it will speed up the solutions like that, to prevent or to overcome the mistakes. But the solid strategy and guidance is required. So without guidance and strategy, you cannot achieve it. So organization can harness the power of business intelligence for improved business results and demonstrable business success. So these things are required. So it's purely how we can take the business to the next level means implementation. How properly you are implementing, that matters. Learning is different, implementing is different. So if you know about BI, it is well and good, but if you fail to implement, then it is not the mistake. So as per the marketing needs, I mean market needs, customer expectations, we should maximum automate our processes. Then people will be satisfied, customers will be satisfied. For that, many challenges, problems will come, and we have to solve it with required tools. So in the next class, we will see the emerging trends in business implementation. Okay, right. Thank you.